2, 1. Woo! Woo! The owner is here. Finally! Oh. Hi guys, take 2. Kasi ang pangit ko pala kanina. Super putla ng lips ko. Kasi may concealer. So may lipstick na ako. I think this is better. And I forgot to intro. So by the way, say hi to us. We are the parents of John Mateo. Yes, parents. Ang nickname niya by the way is Matt or Theo. So pili na lang kayo kung anong gusto niyong tawag sa kanya. Anyway, his due date will be on January 1. So estimated time of date of arrival niya will be January 1, 2020. Yes, arrival January 1, 2025. So today our agenda is to celebrate the New Year in advance with the Arbolante Castillo and Segovia family. So we're on the way to Kingsford right now for lunch muna dahil birthday din ni Bebo. So birthday ni Joaquin, it's his 4th birthday. So after lunch, mag-check-in lang kami. We got 4 rooms in total. One is a suite para may living room area. Tapos dun yung bonding. And then the rest are just normal rooms. So yeah, we'll keep you posted. It's super traffic. Say hi to my husband. Yes, husband. Yan, shy type siya. So pakita-pakita ko na lang siya sa video. See you guys later. Oh, nagpakilala pa ako. I forgot to mention my name. I'm Star and this is Gigi. Later, nandiyan na si Sky and si Serena. Just arrived. Dami namin dalang flasks from Lola Aline. Nag-hoard siya. Our luggage. Four flasks from Lola Aline and Team Castillo. Inside. Hi, good afternoon. Reservation under Sheila or Balanzo? They're there. Hi, everybody! Good afternoon. Happy birthday! Hey, don't. Ayan na, ayan na.
Lola?
Mama.
Mama. Okay. No, it's not good.
Bakit hindi ticket? Happy birthday, Joaquin. Happy birthday. Ate Star has something for you. It's a present. Wow. Give one to Joshi. Come on. I'll give to Joshi.
Smile kayo muna, dalawa, yaman mo na yan. 1, 2, 3.
Cute! Happy birthday, Joaquin! How about Joshi's party hat? Hi guys, nakakagulo na. Meanwhile, may naglalaro. So we got the corner side kasi yung 2 sets ng table parang magkahiwala yung fields. Hi guys! So I ordered Sky ordered classic carbonara. Dapat pala nandito ka. Pero kasi naglalakad ako. And then, meanwhile, ayan, classic carbonara. And then, we got another chicken nuggets and fries. And extra rice. Oh, this is Serena. Sky. Lola Ali. Josie. Lola Ben. 15 minutes na ba? Again, no. Gusto sumama sa atin. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Let's go picture.
Sito dati ina. Okay, 1, 2.
Salamat.
1, 2.
Ay, okay. Go, babe. Babe, ikaw ang bigay. You ask Kuya Reggie, is that my hat? Louder. Is that my hat? Uy, mag-yes ka. Thank you. Yay! Thank you, Kuya Reggie. Is there something you tell me if it's people you Yay! Kumakaya si Kuya Judy. Super! Galing naman. Smile. Are you one, two, three? Say happy birthday, Joaquin. Joshi, you say happy birthday, Joaquin. Louder. You smile. We'll send this to... Next. Tayo na, our turn. The baby turn. Yeah. Look how it's hard. No, it's okay. You're not gonna let him. One more. Baka sabihin mo. Baka nakita sa vlog. Ready, Mermy? Excuse me.
Stop. Joey. Stop.
Do you see yourself? Where is it? What happened? Okay, mommy and tatay picture. Malalaman mo sa taste. This is caramel macchiato. Taste test mo, baby. Barista to, guys. My hobby is a barista. Anong rate over 10? Anong rate, babe? Hindi siya nasarapan. Hindi niya masabi. Ako na lang. Matapang masyado. Ay, baka nakabenta. Medyo mga coffee sa pero puno naman ang milk. Not allowed for me because pretty. So guys, she's feeling Rachel Mateo.
Hey guys, di na ako blonde.
Kicking. Di ba ang lakas?
I'm brunette.
Gutom na kasi siya kaya
Kick me. More.
Kick me, baby, one more. Sino ba order na po kayo? Kick! Kasi matagal po. Kick! Pinagod mo naman kasi. Kalma ka daw.
Malay na ako.
Ako ka lang dyan. Kasama dito lang. Tignan mo, kausapin mo, babe. Kay Gigi. Nag-a-answer. Sige na ba? Alam niya pa yung boses ni Gigi.
Punch.
There po.
Ayan na.
Punch dito. Punch dito.
Yan na siya. Diba? Sabi sa'yo eh. Di ba bagay sa akin nakatago?
Bagay.
Bagay.
Sino
Mas,
sabi
parang
hindi?
kanina lang hindi. Parang ang gulo. Ay, narinig ko na sa vlog.
Ay, oh my gosh, kita ko na.
So, ano tingin ko sa'yo?
Oh my gosh, no, wait,
Pangit
this
daw
na
ng hair.
yun. Not my insecurity. You just ask. Not insecurity. Whoa, I kind of feel disgusting.
Yeah.
It's like, ugh. Eh, di ba yan? Gutom na ako, ito na lang lunch ko. Recycled plastic yan. Oh my gosh, my sister's kinda hungry na talaga.
Sinong buntis? Laki ng buntis. Grabe, ang dami nagsasabi ng blooming na star. Okay. The food is here. It's time to eat. The food is being served. Finally, we're hungry. Oh, parang good for 3 yan, diba? Ah. Share ko nga, puro to ba?
Nakachika ko na siya.
Here. Thank you.
Tell me about your sister.
You can get if you want.
Tell me about your sister. What's the name of your sister?
So guys, dahil I missed my parentals, Redeemer me! Say hi!
mo.
Redeemer me, say hi.
Hi, happy
This is my Redeemer.
Hi.
Did you feel Rigel Mateo?
Yeah.
Malakas na ba kami? So, ano pa? Yun lang. Do you miss us?
Yes.
Blooming ba ako?
Blooming buntis.
Yes. Can you see that? No pores or anything? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, vlog.
So,
So, for the first table, eating na sila dahil nauna yung food. Say hi, guys! Sophie, say hi! Serena! Max! It's really like that. Hi, Tito John! Redeemer me! Smile! Ay, may sinustok sila. Smile! Say hi! Tita Sheila, Joaquin! Say hi to the vlog! Tito Leah! Tito Mike! Lola Beth! Hindi ako pagod. Walking to. Ngay. Parang pagod na pagod. Eat ka na! You eat na. Babe, kain ka na. Kumakain na sila, inay.
Tapos picture tayo pag may medyo.
Yeah.
Ikaw, kain ka. Hi, baby Rigel Mateo. This is Tatay.
You feel baby.
Hi, baby Rigel.
He's inside. You say hi, baby Rigel.
He's a boy. He will hatch soon.
Yes, he will hatch soon.
Talaga. As a chicken.
Ate Star is the chicken.
You say it again, please. Ate Star
Will hatch soon. You say hi to baby Rigel. You touch him. Look, he's moving. He's kicking. Just like...
Sabi niya pag umiyak si Laura. Naragyan, Laura.
Do you love your sister?
Laura is too loud.
So I finally got my order. Got nuggets, garlic rice, and then babe, ano tawag dyan? Baby, ano tawag dyan sa in-order mo?
kare-kare.
And then kare-kare for him. Mine. Dun. Maupo. Yeah, smile. 1, 2, 3. Gaganda. Yes. What happened? ano ulit?
Malapit tayo makainom ng tubig.
Walang laman yung glass ng water. I mean yung glasses. Sibingin kong tubig. So everyone is eating. We ordered fish and chips ni Sky kasi gutom pa kami. Si Lola natatawa ang takaw namin. Pag nandito si Lolo, alam mo na. Yes, mag-diet kayo. Buntis po. Hindi. Hindi naman nataba kasi pawisin siya. Pero minsan siya yung naglilihi. May mga gusto siya. Gusto niya ng ice cream. Oh, hindi yan mahilig sa matamis pero feeling ko nakakawa siya sa...
Nasa bahay naman kami ni Ina.
Sige na, gusto pa delivery.
Eh, magkatabi kami, diba, pag sa kwarto. Kaya lahat parang siya, nagigising din siya pag nagigising ako. Sabi ko, lo, Oo, kaya ako wala naman akong pinaglihi. Normal lang, kumakain lang ng pero walang paulit-ulit. Yun yung sabi ni Mama, at saka ni Lola, nagtataka sila, wala akong hinahanap na pagkain na paulit-ulit. Tita Leia, everyone listen. Tita Leia, what is your wish for Joaquin?
My wish for Joaquin is good health and a happy childhood. And of course, to be a good big brother to your little baby brother or sister.
Tita Leia's I don't even know what it means. Tita Leia's pregnant.
Ayaw niya, mas sumigaw.
Okay, it's not shout. No shouting, no shouting.
We're gonna have a so peaceful. I'm shocked. Hindi. I'm shocked. What can you say, guys?
I love you, Joaquin. God bless you. We will always be here for you. Love you.
So we're all done eating. Kanya-kanyang pwesto na po. Yes. And the kids are running around.
Dito may alert ko. Joshi, don't go out. Joshi.
Meanwhile, di pa tapos kumain.
Joshi, oh. Sino mommy? Okay, Joshi.
Wow, practicing. Isa pa tita for the vlog. Kung gusto niya daw, lipat na daw there for the coffee. Ayan.
Colors namin.
Guys, reveal. Siya talaga yung part owner ng hotel. Okay, Serena, ang taba ng face mo. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ang fresh na inang. I mean, compared sa inyo dalawa.
Grabe ka naman sa akin.
Hindi, swear.
Ako may laman pa kasi bibig ko.
Ang ganda ng makeup.
Ayan. So, Dirty and Mermy ordered iced mocha. Anong rate? Over 10.
5.
Uy, mocha yung 6. Kasi daw bakit? Kasi puro
More on milk.
more on milk. Gusto niya mas matapang. Ito 5, di naman natot mo.
5 din natin din.
Ah, hindi mo sinabi kanina. Tinanong kita eh. 5 yung kanya. Ano yun? Macchiato? Yun sa'yo. Mama, tikman na iced coffee. That's mocha. And then rate it over 10. Ay, pareho. Ay, nako. Macchiato pala. How is it?
Isang case pa daw si Tito John.
Isang case pa si Tito John. Spotted.
Sabi namin, Tita,
Isang case ka pa. Shot. Ma, kamusta? How's the macchiato? Michelle.
Ang set.
Huh? Sabi ni Daddy, puro milk.
Tama ka na, puro kasi.
Si Mama. Ba, serious? Ah, wala pa. 5 si Gigi. Go, Tito John. Kaya mo yung konti na lang makaka-check-in. Babe, yung charger mo ba? Guys, what if malaman nyo twins pala yung babies namin?
Nakatago. Di ba, babe, napanood natin ng video? Dahil twins pala, nalaman lang ng mga anak na siya. Kasi namin, good luck. Kayo ang mag-aalaga, tig-isa. Girl, boy. Oh, wala. Actually, hindi nga siya G. Fresh na, di ba? Nag-usap na tayo. Okay, high alert si Dirty kasi the kids are running around.
Mga waiter pa nag-out na.
Mga waiter nag-out na. Si Dirty naka-duty na.
Nauna pa sila umalis.
Spot natin yung mga tulog. Yan. Si Kuya, si Tita John. Yan. Tita John mo pagsak na yung ulo. So din, malapit na nakahiga na siya.
Anong hairstyle?
So guys, naka-check-in na kami. First room, yes. 100 square meters, good for 18 packs. Yan, tulog na lahat.
Ito ang mga pwedeng gawin.
Inclusions, blanket.
No. Sitting, lying down,
Yes. Eh, may makakatulog na po sa likod.
isang face pa.
Spotted. Naka-check-in na. Ay, hindi mo pinakataas yung patin ako. OMG, mana sa ama. So, room number 2. Anyway, Tita Sheila's trying to check in na for all of us. Max, look.
Oh my gosh!
Ta-da! Does it look like me or Kuya Reggie? Me. You? Both?
Parang mix of both na.
Okay, good answer. Correct answer. Diba? You're so cute. Look at the cheeks.
So chubby.
2, 1. Woo! Woo! The owner is here. Okay, let's go. Si Joaquin nakataas na yung pa. Okay. Let's go. Finally! Oh, finally! One, two.
Ito yung kay Sky. Nandito siya sa akin. Dad hug me.
Tita Sheila's pregnant! Woo! Third baby!
I'm pregnant!
It's a powerfish.
Si Ate Sky may announcement!
Announcement, I have a boyfriend! Si Lola di naniniwala. Nananaginip na naman si Sky. 7 times.
Okay, let's go!
Gusto ko ang saya niya kung may boyfriend na kasama niya. Ayan, picturean mo siya nakatahin na doon.
Ay, Sky, dito niyo ako i-shoot!
Picturean mo yan.
Eto na, tatapos na.
Uy, alis kayo si Joaquin. Gusto ko yung